Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will discuss about RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Why it was in news? RBI board approves transfer of 2,86,588 crore surplus to government. RBI is a central bank of India. Its responsibility for regulating the country's monetary and financial system. It RBI play a crucial role in maintaining price stability, financial stability, currency management, and economic growth. Historical background. Idea of central bank for India was recommended by Hilton Young Commission in 1926. It was established on 1st April 1935 under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Initial headquarter was at Calcutta and its headquarter permanently shifted to Mumbai in 1937. When was it nationalized? It was nationalized in 1949. Structure of RBI. Central Board of Director. RBI governed by a central board of directors appointed by the government of India. Composition: governor, up to four deputy governors, director nominated by government, representative from local board. Current RBI governor is Sanjay Malhotra. What are the functions of RBI? Monetary authority or monetary policy tools. Repo rate when RBI lends and money to commercial bank. Reverse repo rate when RBI borrow money from bank. Cash reserve ratio. Bank must keep a certain percentage of deposit with RBI. SLR. Banks must maintain liquid asset like gold and government security within bank. Open market operation. Buying and selling of government securities. Second function is issuer of currency. RBI issue all currency except on note which is issued by Government of India. Bankers to government. Bankers to bank provides, for example, provides loan during crisis, maintain bank reserve. Fifth is regulator and supervisor of financial system. And sixth is manager of foreign exchange. RBI manages India's foreign exchange under FEMA Act 1999. Monetary Policy Committee. Very important. Composition total 6 member, 3 from RBI, 3 are appointed by Government of India. India's inflation target 4% to plus minus 2%. It's about RBI. If my information is informative, please subscribe my channel and also like, comment and share it. Thank you so much.